is the new Gemmy Spider Eyeball Doorbell. And I got this from TJ Maxx for only, let me get the flash off, $12.99. So it's cheaper than buying it at Lowe's or Cracker Barrel. But also, this is different from the Lowe's and Cracker Barrel ones. This one lights up green instead of red.
Did you know I was afraid of the dark? Don't look now, but there's something behind you. Let me take a look at you. Closer, please. A little closer. I have not seen a face like yours in years. What? You want some treats? Did you know I was afraid of the dark?
So that's that. They also had a green eyeball doorbell and a completely gray one. Not like that weird gray, silvery looking one they had last year, but this one was completely gray. I have pictures of both of them. I didn't take videos because they were very loud and the store is pretty small, so I didn't want to have that awkward sort of situation. But just so you guys know, they do have the same audio as just the average eyeball doorbell. And I'll post pictures of those right after this. So that's that. This is the Gemmy Spider Eyeball Doorbell from TJ Maxx with the green lights. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.